Hi, welcome back. Welcome to my channel Tigrish or GG Agra. I must welcome you to the episode of Strings in Python number 6. As I discussed many methods in strings in Python, and today I am going to discuss three more methods in strings. So one is replace, another is capitalize, and third one is swap case. So as these words indicate or suggest that replace will replace something, or they can replace the old value with new one. Capitalize means this is again pertaining to the sentence, and switching the first letter into capitalize or in capital. Swap case is another method which will change or turn capital to small or lower and lower to capital. So let's start without wasting much time. We'll move to our presentation, then we'll take you to the collab. So see here, strings in Python. So we'll discuss replace, capitalize, and swap case methods. So the first method is replace. The format is string 1 replace string 2 string 3, means you are replacing this string 2 with this string and will be stored in string 1. So this string 1 is the source string as well as a target string. Okay, so replaces each occurrences of string 2 str2 with str3 in string str1. So I said string 1 is the source string and string 1 is also a target string. For example, my hard work. Now this is a string and I am going to replace this uh, my word. So since the sentence was my hard work and I want to replace my with our work, our hard work. So when I said my hard work, this is string dot replace which word, that is my word. My word should be replaced with our. So it'll result as our hard work. So this is how the replace function works. Now we move to capitalize. So it will capitalize the first letter of the sentence or the string, and uh, rest of the words of the means first letter of the words will be in a small. This is the property of capitalize. So it will turn the first character of the first word into capital, and rest first words of any word, if capital or in a small, it will capitalize. No, it will not capitalize, it will turn into lowercase. Okay, so this will become the entire complete formatted or proper sentence. For example, I have the word or the string bookshop. So here if you see book, B begins with a small b, whereas shop, the first letter of the shop begins with the capital letter. So when I apply the function capitalize, so it will return b, it turns b into capital and s into small. Okay, similarly over here 12 books, since there is no first letter, the first is your digit, and that is why the string will remain as it is. You see here, converse the remaining alphabets into small letters and returns the resultant string as this. Now converts the uppercase means swap case means the upper should be converted into lower and lower should be converted into upper. So this is called the swap case. So suppose I have the string like bookshop. Here the book is in small letter and the character S of the shop is in capital letter, and this is why swap case will turn the entire string into the first word will become the book in capital, and the second word, the first letter, will turn to small and rest of the letters turn to capital. So if I say fifth cm means th are in small, so they will turn to capital, and cm, which is capital, will turn into lower. Let's taking you to the collab. Click on collab, so it will take you to the collab notebook. See here, my hard work replace my R. So when I run this sentence, then see what happens. See here, R hard work means my is replaced with R. See here. Now next one is bookshop capitalize. Let's see what happens. So B will turn to capital B and S will turn to small s. See here, bookshop. I maximize a little bit more. Okay, so the first letter of the sentence or the string will be capitalized and rest of the characters will be in the lowercase letters. Now I'm going to capitalize 12 books also. Since the first letter is the number, so it cannot be capitalized. 12 books. So see here, 12 books. Now bookshop swap case, since B is in lowercase letter, S in uppercase letter, so BOOK means book will turn into capital letters, S will turn into lowercase letter, and H and OP will turn into uppercase letter. So see here. So see, book shop, S small and other letters are in capital. So this is how swap case works. And the last example, fifth cm. So 5 is the number, T is in a small, so swap case will convert into capital. So T and H will be turned into capital and CM will be turned into this small. So when I run this, it will show you fifth cm, th in capital, th in capital and cm in small. So this is how these library methods of string work in Python. Okay, so move back to our presentation once again. So this is my presentation, and these were 3 methods which I wanted to discuss. So hope you understood these methods as far as string methods are concerned. So I discussed Replace I discussed, capitalize I discussed, swap case. So if you understood the concept, kindly share it with your friends and practice it on your system. So we'll meet in the next video with some other methods of strings. Till then, bye bye.